Pa-help po sir, paano isolve? Binigay ito ng friend na lumabas sa exam. Okay, so sagutan natin itong isa sa mga comments sa ating YouTube channel dito sa video na number series part 1, mga lumabas dati. Ayan. So if an airplane take off at 600 miles per hour and a second plane takes off at 2 hours later with the same direction of at speed of 800 miles per hour, how many hours will it take for second plane to reach the first plane? Okay? So, try nyo po munang sagutan yan bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so to answer this motion problem or distance rate time na problem about uh, overtake problem or yung ayan, so how many hours will it take for the second plane to reach the first plane? Okay, so to solve this, ang madaling way ay gumawa lang tayo ng table. Okay, so ito yung table na gagawin natin. Dito sa first column, ilalagay lang natin dito yung mga plane. So yan, an airplane take off at 600 miles per hour and second plane. Ayan, second plane takes off 2 hours later. So sa first column, ilalagay lang natin yung mga plane dito. So lagay ko na lang first plane and then second plane. Dito naman sa mga sunod, ang ilalagay natin dito ay yung rate. So rate, time, and distance. Okay? So ang formula kasi ng distance ay equal sa rate times time. Okay, so ang unit natin dito, ang rate ay miles per hour. Ang time naman natin ay in hour. And then ang distance ay in miles. Okay, so ilagay lang natin yung mga given sa problem. Sabi an airplane take off at 600 miles per hour. Ito yung rate ng first plane. So ilagay natin dito. 600 miles per hour. Second plane takes off 2 hours later. So itong second plane, 2 hours later. With the same direction, ayan, so ito yung keyword natin dito. Same direction at speed of 800 miles per hour. So 800 miles per hour ang rate ni second plane. How many hours will it take for the second plane to reach the first plane? So ang hinahanap natin yung time nitong second plane para ma-reach niya si first plane. So hindi yun yung hinahanap natin yung time. So lagyan natin ito ng t. Okay? Tapos anong magiging expression para kay first plane? Sabi, second plane takes off 2 hours. 2 hours later. Okay? So kung ang second plane natin ay t, 2 hours later daw ito. So therefore ang time na ni first plane ay magiging t plus 2. Okay? Magkakaroon tayo ng plus 2 dahil after 2 hours bago umalis si second plane. So ngayon, lagyan natin ng expression itong distance. Using this formula, distance is equal to rate times time. Imumultiply lang natin si rate at time ni first at second plane. So expression para dito sa column na ito, so let's multiply 600 times the time, t plus 2, and then si second plane naman ay 800 times t. So we have 800t. So ang hinahanap natin itong time ni second plane. So paano natin bubuuin ng expression natin? Ang equation, ito yung keyword natin, same direction. Kapag same direction, ibig sabihin, equate lang natin itong kanilang distance. Kasi same direction sila, papunta, let's say papunta sila parehas dito sa right side. So para ma-reach ni second plane si first plane, kailangan equals na yung kanilang distance. Okay? So ang working equation natin ay 600, ito yung una, times t plus 2, equate natin dito sa pangalawang distance, 800t. Para kasi ma-reach ni second si first, kailangan equal yung distance nila, kaya in-equate natin. And then just solve for t. So distribute lang natin ito. So 600 times t, we have 600t. 600 times positive 2, we have positive 1,200 equals 800t. So combine natin yung mga may t. So just subtract 600t to both sides. Subtract 600t to both sides. So wala na ito. So we have 1,200 equals 800t minus 600t. That is 200t. Then last step, divide both sides by 200 para matira ay c t na lang. So divide both sides by 200. Cancel this. So just divide this. So tanggalin natin yung tig-dalawang 0. So we have 12 divided by 2. So the answer is 6 hours. So 6 hours bago ma-reach ni second plane si first plane, or parehas din ito nung overtake problem. Overtake problem or yung catch up problem. Okay? So that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan yung explanation ko para sa problem na ito. At kung meron po kayong mga math question ay i-comment nyo lang po dito sa aking channel, pwede sa TikTok, or i-PM nyo ako sa Messenger, RJ Enseñado. So bye-bye and God bless.